Hi students, Olevels Online presents the video lecture series for adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the exam tips for depreciation part 4. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Levels upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE, for accounting 7707 or 0452. Let's begin the exam tips material. The main tip need to discuss, what is revaluation method? There are three major tips. The first one is, it involves periodically reassessing the value of the fixed assets. Secondly, this method adjusts the carrying amount of fixed assets to reflect its current fair value. Finally, it is typically used for assets that may appreciate over time, such as property or artwork. Let's move to the next tip. The next tip for the pros and cons of the revaluation method. First advantage is that it reflects the current market value of the fixed assets. Secondly, it provides more relevant and reliable financial information. Thirdly, it provides a more accurate company's financial picture to the management. The disadvantages are as, it is costly and time-consuming method. Finally, it introduces more subjectivity and volatility into financial statements. These aspects sometimes management not interested so much. Let's move to the next tip. In this method, calculation for depreciation as assets value at start of the year has been taken, then add the value bought during the year. After adding this, we will get total value of assets available to use for the year. Then subtract the closing value at the end of the year. The difference would be the depreciation for the year. Let's move to the next tip. In the final tip, in this method opening and closing values of a fixed assets are compared, after adjustments of any addition during the year, for the depreciation working. Positively you got a clear understanding of the revaluation method, according to examination point of view. If you have any questions regarding this discussion, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.